Yesterday, the SEC dropped a huge XRP crypto surprise. There are also a lot of other amazing things going on right now that I can't wait to tell you about. That's why I chose this big news story to start with. Make America the crypto capital of the world, as the SEC puts it, is what Project Crypto is all about. And they're making it very clear that their main focus will be on cryptocurrency. This bill will, of course, go through all of that or this project instead. In a moment, I will talk about the specifics of this project. But before we do that, we need to talk about some pretty crazy things, like Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan. I want to tell you that I talked about this back in 2024 or 2023, had come out and said that Bitcoin is a scam more than once. It's used by people who wash money. It's used by drug gangs and other bad people. This is what Jamie Dimon said. He is now completely changing what he said. He also says that he believes in blockchain and stable coins. He is now getting ready to go to Bank of America, okay? Jamie Morgan, a lot of other banks around here are also getting ready to start stable coins in a big way. Guys, I think this will let us see numbers like we've never seen it before. In terms of value, trillions of dollars. We have some numbers to back that up, which we'll talk about in a moment. But I also want to draw attention to what Paul Atkins, the present chair of the SEC, says. He is telling us that companies from Wall Street and Silicon Valley are in line outside our doors asking to tokenize. So what we're seeing right now is record numbers of businesses and organizations starting to use cryptocurrency. Big banks around the world are saying they believe in safe coins and blockchain technology. By the way, the tokenization of real-world goods is happening right now. A lot of people who watch XRP videos on YouTube are saying things like, why haven't we gone up higher yet? It seems like, oh, all of these comments are making me so mad that prices aren't moving at all. You guys need to take a moment to calm down and think about what's going on. Do you think that all of the companies that are coming together to tokenize and make big moves in the crypto space want to make you guys rich? Most likely they don't. Additionally, there is a reason why many of these Wall Street and Silicon Valley companies don't talk about tokenizing real-world assets all the time. However, they are waiting in line at the SEC chair to tokenize many of the products and services they want to offer. Take a look. They don't want you to get rich. They want to get paid for you. That's how they got to where they are now. There's no stopping them from making as much money as possible this way. They'll make these things and you'll use them. Whether you know it or not, that will make them money. It's up to you if you want to complain and do nothing, or if you want to sell your XRP or any other cryptocurrency that will be used in the new world of banking. I'm just saying that I don't see the point in being upset about that, and things don't change quickly. It will not happen when you think it will. I know this because I've been in the crypto space since 2016 and have seen every bull run, every peak, and every bear market in the last 9 years or so. Okay, so that's the stablecoin boom. I really think that this subject needs all of your attention in a big way. There are now $149 billion worth of US treasuries held by stablecoins, making them the 18th biggest external holder. There has been more than 64% growth in just the last year or two. Also, I want to tell you that this is the case even though no big banks or institutions are offering stablecoins. That is the main source of Chang. It's about to go off in a way that has never been seen before with stablecoins and blockchain technology, if what Paul Atkins says is true. But I think there's a very good chance that we'll get. Apollo says that if the market for steady coins based on USD keeps going up, it will make a lot more people want to buy US Treasury bills. That's why the US government wants this to take place. It works out well for everyone. Additionally, all of these stablecoin transactions will take place on blockchains, which will consume gas fees. This will enable the crypto blockchains that run these stablecoin transactions to grow very rapidly. This and ETFs are the main things that are making Ethereum grow right now. You can bet that XRP is also a big piece of the picture, and you can see that people in the US are becoming more optimistic about stocks and crypto assets. The numbers on the charts are correct. The expectation for consumer trust in the US is going crazy right now. It's clear that these numbers have never been this high. There is a huge surge of confidence. A lot of people are joining. This is more than the all-time high in 2000, before the dot-com bubble. Things are crazy right now. There's a lot of support for Buller. Now, that could be a worry for some people. I follow the money. That's what I do. And we're seeing record amounts of money put into AI and crypto by big tech companies. Microsoft said it now plans to spend $30 billion on capital expenditures, CapEx, just in the next quarter. Meta now thinks that it will spend up to $72 billion on CapEx in 2025. Take a moment to think about that. Okay, think about that. That is completely crazy. These businesses are putting a lot of money into crypto and AI right now, which shows that they think these areas will continue to grow very quickly. So I'd like to talk a little more about the Project Crypto news. I'm sure you all want to know more about it too. This is definitely the most interesting thing I've seen today. First, I want to take this quote. With Project Crypto's help, US will keep being the best place in the world to start a business, create cutting-edge technologies, and trade on the stock markets. Also, he said that Project Crypto would be the main thing that would help President Trump in his great work to make the US the crypto capital of the world. Paul Atkins said that he also told fellow SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce and her task force to make proposals based on the crypto suggestions made by the president's working group. He also said that the agency's staff would be writing rules about crypto dealing, storing, and distributing crypto, and that these rules would all be made public, and the SEC has already made a number of important decisions about the crypto business and easing restrictions that were in place before. But the Project Crypto plan will bring together all of Trump and the SEC's ideas for how to make the US better at crypto than its competitors. Isn't that their goal? Because of this, I think the rate of adoption will only go up from here on out. You may remember that after the dot-com crash in the early 2000s, companies like Amazon and Google rose from the ashes and became very successful. This is a lot like what happened in the present day. They came out of the wreckage of that plane, they beat the market, and started taking all of the money that was available. They kept growing and scaling their business plans until they became the biggest companies in the world today. All of these are internet businesses, Amazon, Google, and Facebook. All of them are tech companies. Of course, NVIDIA fit right in with that world too. Now, when we talk about the new age, AI and cryptocurrency come to mind. For that is the new age and the new tools that will change the world we live in now. So I believe that making the best decisions about crypto and AI will pay off in the most amazing ways in the future. So what I think is the most obvious thing to look at here is what is making money, what really does have a business plan that makes sense, what makes life easier for people in the real world and leads to a lot of use cases and adoption. Have you seen that? You check to see which cryptocurrencies and AI tools do that, and then you put all of your money into those. If there is going to be something like Amazon, it should be something like the movie. It's going to be pretty crazy. Right now, well, that's just my view. That's what I shall do. That's not advice on money. That's what I want to make clear. Follow this link to read the warning, but if you want to see all the crypto deals I make, click here. No need to look any further. You can see all of my trades for free. You can see the exact deals I make every month that make me 100 to 400%. Pretty much always in the Discorded text. Indeed, we have just begun a few more trades this month, which you can also see will continue into the following month. It is really simple to get to. To get all of these great perks and bonuses, just use my link to sign up for one of my 2 partner exchanges. Also, guys, I'll see you on Disco, RD, and Telegram. Please click like and subscribe if you like what you see. Lots of love. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.